Pag-guest sana ni SB19 Stel sa Reset concert ng nag-iisang Asia songbird na si Regine Velasquez sa February 21, hindi na matutuloy dahil nagkaroon o nag-post ng statement ang iMusic Entertainment Incorporated. Kaya naman, well, I'm a little disappointed but see you guys ang caption ni Regine sa kanyang Instagram account. Kaya naman narito ang buong statement na ipinost ni Miss Kakay Mitra at ni Miss Regine Velasquez. To our valued fans and concert attendees, we hope this message finds you well. We regret to inform you that Stel, who was scheduled to perform at our upcoming concert Reset on February 21, 2025, will not be able to attend due to a scheduling conflict. This unforeseen issue arose from a miscommunication by our production manager. Unfortunately, we were unaware of this situation at the time of the press conference and announcement. It was only afterward that all parties involved were able to resolve the misunderstanding regarding the scheduled guest appearance. We understand that many of you were looking forward to seeing Stel perform live with Regine at the concert, and we share in your disappointment. But please know that we are equally saddened by this unexpected change and sincerely apologize for any inconvenience it may cause. In light of the situation, we are committed to ensuring a fantastic experience for all attendees. We will offer refunds to any fans who purchased tickets in the hope of seeing Stel perform live with Regine. Please note that only tickets purchased from the time of the press conference announcement up until today, January 14 to 15, 2025, are eligible for a refund for the February 21, 2025 show. Thank you for your understanding and continued support. We appreciate your loyalty and enthusiasm. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email us at info@imusicentertainment.com. We look forward to seeing you at the concert. Warm regards. Ayan na nga ang kabuuan ng statement na nag-spread na rin online kani-kanina lamang. Ako personally nag-purchase na rin ako ng ticket kahapon nung nalaman kong kasama o parte itong si Stel sa concert February 21 concert ni Miss Regine Velasquez covers. Pero unfortunately, may nangyari nga daw na hindi naasahan. Kaya kumpirmadong hindi na nga muna matutuloy ang collaboration ni Regine at itong pag-guest sana ni Stel sa concert niya. Ano ang comment nyo guys? Comment down below. And that's it for now. This has been Jay Kumanangan TV. Thank you for watching.